Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. Well, today we're going to be putting this old Penn line diesel back together. So this should be fun. So yeah, let's get started. Today we're going to use our oil. I don't exactly remember how this goes together. Let's just start with the worm gear. Probably the easiest place to start. Let's lubricate up these shafts here. Should be good. Just move that around, twist it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I might have to rotate this one. I don't even think these go in a specific orientation. I think they just kind of slide. Yeah, they just slide in there. Okay, so next part is we need to put some oil on there. And then let's get a toothpick to mix around our oil and grease. Okay, and then let's add our grease in there. Actually, wait a minute. What am I doing? We have to reinstall the motor first. We can't put that back in. Geez, I'm all over the place. So we need to oil up the bearings on the motor. Okay. That's spinning very well. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's put this motor on here. Okay, we gotta put this this piece on there. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this motor goes like that. Okay, looks like we need to get these screws in there first. Okay, now we just gotta screw that guy on there. Okay, let's get the other screw on. Come on. There we go. Okay. Now we should be able to get that on. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's get our frame over here. Okay, I don't exactly remember how this goes together. Pretty sure. Okay, so push that guy in there. Okay, we just gotta. All right, check that out. Okay, let's get the I don't even know how they expect you to get that gear in there. Maybe like that. No, they definitely want you to put that in with this. Okay. Okay. And let's get this installed. Okay, I think we can actually assemble this. I don't remember which wire goes where, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, this probably goes... yeah, I'm pretty sure this goes here. Okay, let's get the soldering iron. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, we'll leave that on. Okay, we'll have that gear go like that. And we need to get our... Oh, wait, no, this is actually supposed to go in before that. Okay. Oh, wait. I did that wrong. I gotta put the, Okay, let's get this grease in there. Okay. I need to put the desolder this wire. Okay, then I need to... I don't exactly remember where this wire goes through, but I'm gonna say... Oh, crap. No! Ah, I got grease all over my hand. Dang it. I'll just wipe it off. Crap. Get that off. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that through there. That should work. Actually, how about let's go through here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, wait a minute. Interesting. Okay, well, let's get that connected now. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, that's where it's supposed to go. I have it on the wrong side. Of course I do. Okay, so let's put the wire through the right side. So it goes right through there. Okay. Okay, hold on, let me... Okay, there we go. Finally. Okay. Now we could put that on there. Oh, god damn it! Ah, come on! I just dropped that. Everything's going wrong. Okay, gotta heat that up. Okay. Okay, there we go. Finally, it's on there. Okay. Let that cool down. Okay, now I can finally put the gears in. Okay, we got the traction tires on that side. Alright, check that out. Okay, we'll add a little bit of grease to those. Okay, simple enough. Okay, and then we will snap this guy in. I don't think this goes in any particular way. Okay, there we go. Bottom plate is on. Motor is partially assembled. Okay. Now we have to get this whole truck back in there. That's the problem. But they want you to, like, fit it up in there weird. I don't like how they have you fit it in there. Okay, got our second screw. And there goes the screw. Okay, let's move a little bit farther into the workbench. Shaky hand. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we can figure out how this motor's gonna go in here. Okay, there we go. Okay. I really do hate this design. With like a burning passion. They make it so difficult to get this motor up in there. Oh my god, okay, there we go. Okay, then I think we can install our brushes now. Okay, let's get that one in there. Let's get this one in here. Okay, let's get our spring. Alright, let's not break anything here. Oh, well, check that out. That was easy. Okay, now we're getting to the easy stuff. Okay, let's screw that light bulb back in. Ooh, my neck hurts. Okay, let's get our coupler back in there. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try to get this piece over that. Come on. Oh, crap. Did I really bust that? Come on. Try squeezing that thing on there. This is not... Okay, come on. Okay. All right, check that out. Okay, that's on there finally. Okay, well, that didn't work out how I wanted it to. Might have to glue that up, because that did not... I think that might be a little bit broken. Okay, let's get this front truck back together. Oh yeah, also, alright guys, I'm gonna go glue this up, and I'll be back. Okay, people, I'm back. So, we need to finish this up. I got this truck fixed, so now, put that back on. So now we just need to... forget exactly, yeah, it goes this way. Okay. Just gonna slide it that way. Come on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Alright, we got that slid forward. Okay, now we can install these wheels on the front. We gotta get this wire in place. Not sure which side. Let's just go up that side. Okay, there we go. Okay, we need to have the tires on that side. Okay, let's throw a little bit of oil on there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, there we go. And then we'll snap our little cover back on. All right. Boom, there we go. Okay, now we just need to get these screws in place. Get our screwdriver. Okay, we'll tighten that one. tighten this one. Okay. Now we get to tie all these wires together. Oh, sorry about that. Let me get you guys set back up. There we go. Get all these tied together. Okay, now let's get our wire nut on there. Okay, that seems to be good enough. Just snap that light bulb into place. And then I think we're good. Okay, let's get this shell back on. All right, there we go. All right, let's see if all this work paid off. Okay, people. Oh my gosh, look at that. That thing works awesome. Check that out. Oh, that's awesome. I didn't expect it to work that well. That's very nice. So anyways, I guess that'll be about it because we didn't have to do anything else. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little series, and I'll see you next time.